Hello friends, today we start the first chapter, linear equations in two variables. Let's recall. In ninth last year we listen the linear equations in two variables. We solve that equations, simultaneous equations, by two methods. First is substitution method and another is equating coefficient method. In substitution method, we solve the examples, simultaneous examples. We take one example. We have to solve this example. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. This is equation number 1 is given, and the second equation, 2x plus y is equal to 30. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1, equation number 2. For this method, we take the first equation, which has one variable is the coefficient is 1. At here, first equation, there is coefficient of x is 2 and y is 3. At here, coefficient x is 2 and y is 1. Now we take the equation number 2 first and put the value of value of y in term of x. Let from equation 2 2x plus y is equal to 13. Hence, y is equal to, take 2x to the another side, y is equal to 13 minus 2x. That equation, we get third equation. Now, this third equation, which is get from equation number 2, we substitute this equation in the equation number 1. That means in equation number 1, which is 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Now, substituting this value, in equation number 1. Okay? And therefore, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Substitute this value y. At here we get 2x minus 3 into bracket 13 minus 2x is equal to 9. Now, solving this, we get 2x minus 3 into 13, which is 39, minus 3 into minus 2x, which get plus 6x is equal to 9. Take the minus 39 to the another side, we get 2x plus 6x is equal to 9 plus 39. Therefore, 2x plus 6x, which is 8x, is equal to 48. By eliminating 8, we get x is equal to 48 upon 8. That means x is equal to 6. Now substitute this value in equation number 3, which is easier than 1 and 2. substitute value of x in equation number 3. We get the value of y. Y is equal to 13 minus 2x. That means y is equal to 13 minus 2 into bracket x. Hence y is equal to 13 minus 2x, 2 into 6, which is 12. Hence y is equal to 1. Now we get the both value of x and y, both variables, the value of both variables x and y. Hence the solution of this simultaneous equation, these equations are x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1, which is the answer. This is one method we listen in 9th standard. Now we get the another method that time, which is equating coefficient method. Now we get one example of that also. Suppose we take the example x plus 7y is equal to 10. That is the first equation. And the second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. For solving these two equations, simultaneous equations, first we have to make the coefficient of the variables are same. Any variables, let here the coefficient of, in first equation, the coefficient of x is 1 and y is 7, and in equation number 2 the coefficient of x is 3 and y is minus 2. Now we get easy to equate the coefficient of x, the coefficient of y. Then we simply multiply the equation number 1 by 3, we get the coefficient of x get equal. That means in the first step, multiply the equation number 1 by 3. Hence we get the new equations 3x plus 21y is equal to 30. This is the third equations. We change the equation number 1 and write the equation number 2 there under that equations, which is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. That is the equation number 2. Solving these two equations, the coefficient of x are the same. That means we have to subtract these equations. Therefore, we have to subtract equation number 2 from 3. Therefore, 3x plus 21y is equal to 30 minus 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. For subtracting, we have to change the sign of each variable, that means of second equations. Therefore, 3x minus 3x get cancels. 21y plus 2y which get 23y minus 30 minus 7 is equal to 23. Hence, y is equal to get 23 upon 23, therefore 1. The value of y get 1. Now substitute this value in any equations 1 or 2. We get the value of x. Substituting value of y in value of y is equal to 1 in equation number 1. We get x plus 7y is equal to 10. X plus 7, substitute the value y at here, that means y is equal to 1 plus 10. Hence we get x plus 7 is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 10 minus 7. X is equal to 3. Hence we get the solution of the simultaneous equation is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. The solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. That is our final answer. We teach this, we solve the simultaneous equations in these two methods last year. Another example we get in the last year, which is like this. We solve this example also. In that example, the coefficient of x and y, the variables, are interchanged. Let's get the another example. We have to solve that example. Example is 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. That is equation number 1 is given, and another is 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. That is equation number 2. In these two equations, we get the coefficient of a and b, that's variables, are interchanged in these two equations. We have to solve these equations. We get the another two equations, easier equations, by adding these equations and subtracting these equations. First step, we have to add these two equations. Add equation 1 and equation 2. We get 27a plus 31b is equal to 85 plus 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Adding these two, we get 58a plus 58b is equal to 1, 7 and 4. Here 58 would get common. A plus b is equal to 174. Take the 58 to another side. We get a plus b is equal to 174 upon 58, which get 3. Hence the equation, we get another equation, a plus b is equal to 3. That is equation number 3. Similarly, now we have to subtract these equations. We have to subtract equation number 1 from 2. Equation 1 from 2. That means we have to write the equation number 2 first. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. And we have to subtract this. That means minus 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. Now how we have to change the sign. Therefore, 31a minus 27a, which get 4a minus 4b is equal to 4. Take 4 common, a minus b is equal to 4. Hence, a minus b is equal to 1. That is the equation number 4. We get another 2 easier equations. Now, these two, we have to solve these two equations simply by add equation number 3 and 4. We get a plus b is equal to 3, a minus b is equal to 1. We have to add this. Therefore, a plus a, 2a plus b minus b get cancelled is equal to 4. Hence, a is equal to 4 upon 2, a is equal to 1, which is the value of a. This value we have to substitute in equation number 3. Value of a is equal to 1 in equation number 3. We get a plus b is equal to 3. Therefore, 1 plus b is equal to 3. Hence, b is equal to 3 minus 1. b is equal to 2. Now, this is the solutions of these linear equations. The solution is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. That is our final answer. This is another method to solving the linear equations in two variables, where the coefficient of the variables are interchanged. These are we have to learn in 9th standard. In this year, we learn the another two methods. First is graphical method and another is Cramer's rule. Graphical method, we teach graphical method tomorrow. I give some examples on this simultaneous equations today. We solve that examples at home in our notebook, exercise notebook, and exercise number 1.1 is also solved in that book. We stop today at here. Thank you very much.